As a developer, how we can be unique and distinguish ourselves is through the vision. And the vision is about how innovative you can be. You have to always think in a creative way. We believe in building great cities. Cities that are unique, special, memorable, sustainable. So it all goes back to build cities around people.
I believe Limitless is at the cutting edge now of a group of developers that are beginning to understand that we really need to create communities, communities for a huge range of people that function for their whole lives, that have parks and schools and cultural facilities and neighborhood centers and all the things that make daily life real.
It's this vision that says we're building places, we're not just here to build a project and move on.
What's important is that you create environments where people are comfortable, where they're happy, and where you have really 24-hour life.
So even though people are living in different ways, different lifestyles, different ages, different incomes, there's this huge domain that's shared and a sense of commonality. The ratio of open space and parks and schools and mosques and all the social glue that puts a community together, the ratio of that Limitless typically puts into one of their projects is much higher than you're seeing by just about any other development company.
We try to challenge ourselves every time to create new ideas.
They are the founder of developing cities that are based on grid system. It has mixed land use in it. It's transit-oriented and pedestrian-oriented city. Their goal is to move people as opposed to move cars. And that gives us much more flexibility.
The idea of regenerative design is that there's a connection between what habitat we build and the natural systems, and the idea of that we need to restore and regenerate those systems as part of the responsibility of being designers and builders.
Limitless is really pressing ahead with sustainable development, looking at the fundamental infrastructure elements, how water gets into a community, how it's used, how it's recycled, recaptured, how energy is produced and saved and perhaps cascaded through different systems. A deep environmental approach that can only happen at the scale of development that a Limitless is undertaking.
The challenge, the architectural challenges always have been the same throughout the centuries. To have beautifully proportioned spaces, elegant materials. So it's not something which is anchored in a particular moment of time, but rather something that will last and will be an enduring project.
We at Limitless are determined and believe in creating sustainable communities. Communities where people belong, communities where people can live and work in safe, open environments. We believe a home is a dream for people, and the city is a dream. And we have to plan those dreams with a huge sense of responsibility, because what we plan today will echo through every aspect of life for the generations to come. We believe in the places by which will always be remembered.